Good morning, friends. Today we are going to start by singing the 5 Little Monkeys. So everybody get their monkeys ready. Ready? 5 little monkeys jumping on a bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." How many do we have now? 1, 2, 3. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." So now we have 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Now we have 1 more monkey. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." So now we have no more monkeys. So we had 5 and we have 0 now. Okay, so for today was Wednesday. It is greeting time. So for message number 1, I wanted to know, do you think that we can go outside today? So yesterday it was a little rainy outside and it was cloudy and you probably didn't want to go outside. So I wanted to know, yes or no, do you think we can go outside today? So if you think yes, put a check up here under the Y, and if you think no, then you would put a check up there. So you have to pick one. And you can put a yes or no mark. Okay, for message number 2, we talked about our conflict cards. We talked about our conflict cards. You should have these at home. So these are how we solve problems. So these are our solution or conflict cards, conflict solution cards. So these cards have a bunch of different ideas of how you could solve a problem. So say you and your brother, or you and your brother and sister, or whoever is at home with you, are fighting over a toy. So you both want the same toy. So we could flip through our solution cards, and we could try a couple of these. So this one says, "Say please." So you can ask your brother or your sister, say it's your brother, "Can I please have that toy?" And then if he doesn't give it to you, then we can look for some different solutions. So this one says, "Wait and take turns." So I think that's a good one. You can wait. Maybe you can play with a different toy while you're waiting. And then when he's done with it, he will give you the toy. So you can look through these when you have a problem at home. All right. And then for message number 3, during small group time, we will be using our notebook and our pencils to draw some shapes. And then after we draw those shapes, we are going to make them with popsicle sticks. So we are going to draw the different shapes with our pencil in our notebook. But first, let's talk about them. So this shape, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and this is called a diamond. So I'm going to hold it up so you can see, but I'm going to draw it in my notebook. I want you to follow along with me. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is my diamond. Okay, my next shape. So I'm going to turn my page and get a brand new page. This is my next shape. This is called a rectangle. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, but this is a little bit different. So it has 2 long sides on the top and 2 short sides on the sides. Okay, so now we're going to draw it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's our rectangle. Okay, I have my next shape. So my next shape is a triangle. 1, 2, 3 sides. And these sides are all the same size. See, no matter which way we turn it, it still looks like a triangle. So I drew it in my notebook. And then my next shape, another one of these. This is called a square. So this also has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. But these are all the same size sides. This one, this rectangle, it has 2 short sides and 2 long sides, but the square has all the same size sides. So now let's draw the square in our notebooks. There's my square. And I have 2 more shapes for you. Save this one for the last. So this is, oh, can't even see it against my shirt because they're the same color. This is called a circle. So this has no sides at all. Let's draw the circle in our notebook. So since we're going to be using popsicle sticks with our, for a small group to make our shapes, we can't make a circle with these because these are straight lines and the circle has no straight lines. It has curved lines. So we're going to have to leave this out. That's why we're drawing them in our notebook as well. So my last shape, this kind of looks like a circle, but this is called an oval because it's stretched out a little bit and it doesn't have perfect curved sides. It's a little bit taller. It looks like a 0 if you hold it this way. All right, we're going to draw that in our notebook. There is my oval. All right, so we're going to put our notebook and our paper, our pencil away. And now we are going to make our shapes. So first we're going to start with the rectangle. So we're going to take our popsicle sticks and we're going to need a few to do this. So I'm going to do, this is the top of my rectangle, and then this is going to be the bottom. So I'm using 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. And then I'm going to put them on the sides. And there is my rectangle. So 2 long sides and 2 short sides. So let's put this away. Now let's make a square together. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 4 sides and they are all the same size. Next, I'm going to make my diamond. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's my diamond. And the last shape I'm going to make is the triangle. So the triangle has how many sides again? 1, 2, 3. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Okay, friends. So I want you to follow along and make your shapes with Miss Christy, and then I want you to send me a picture. I can't wait to see.